Pace count beads are used to manually track distance when walking. 13 beads are divided into 2 sections and allow you to track up to 5,000 meters of distance. To create your own set, you'll need a 26-inch length of paracord and 13 beads. Trim the ends of the paracord and remove the inner strands. Fuse the ends and tie them in an overhand knot. Now take one of the inner strands and thread it under the midpoint of the larger piece, meeting the midpoints of both pieces together. Use the inner strand to thread beads onto your larger piece. After threading on 9 beads, measure 2 finger lengths and tie an overhand knot. Then thread on the remaining 4 beads, measure 1 finger length and tie a final overhand knot. Now you're ready to girth hitch your pace count beads to a pack and begin using them. Every time you walk 100 meters, pull down 1 bead on the bottom section. When you reach 1,000 meters, reset the bottom beads and pull down a top bead. Later on, we'll discuss how to create and walk your own pace count line to determine when you've traveled 100 meters.